the unforgiving arena of life, there are only two outcomes: victory or education. Every challenge you face, every battle you fight, carries one of these two prizes. You stand here now, drenched in sweat, heart pounding, lungs burning, staring at a scoreboard that doesn't have your name at the top. The sting of defeat sits heavy on your tongue, metallic and bitter. But this exact moment, is where champions are either forged or forgotten. Because it's never the victory that defines who you are. It's what you choose to do when the lights dim, the crowd quiets, and all that's left is you and your reflection. Ask yourself, what will you see in this darkness? Will you see a failure that defines you, or a lesson that refines you? Every bruise, every ache, every disappointment, they're not punishment. They're sculptors, chiseling away your weakness, revealing strength you didn't know existed. When you win, you celebrate briefly. But when you lose, that's when growth begins. That's when you're forced to dig deeper, to question your preparation, your passion, your very reason for showing up. Pain is the universe's most honest teacher. It doesn't flatter you. It doesn't lie. It doesn't hand out participation medals. It breaks you open so the truth can pour in. You will fall, repeatedly, brutally. You will fail, be misunderstood, underestimated, even laughed at. But none of that defines your story, unless you stop learning. Because defeat is never the end. It's a beginning, disguised as an ending. Tonight you hurt. Tomorrow you reflect. The day after, you rebuild. Stronger, sharper, more dangerous than before. Remember this. Sometimes you win a trophy. But sometimes you win something infinitely more valuable. Transformation. So when the world doubts you, when the scoreboard betrays you, when the pain feels unbearable, smile. Because this is the moment you're being remade.